So, you ready? You're so, you had a rough life, huh? It's gonna get better, baby. It's gonna get better. Alright? We're gonna go home. You're going home. You wanna try this? I know you're nervous and you probably won't eat until you've decompressed, but I have these. I love you. I just want love. Hi. You know, hi, honey. Hello. Hello, honey. Hello, baby. Mm-hmm. Meet Tino, guys. He's here because of you guys. Thank you for letting me rescue. This is a very beautiful moment that you get to have when dogs and animals let you know that they feel safe. And so when we get home and he gets in his enclosure and he gets to decompress and go potty and play and be a wolf, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. You ready, love bug? You ready, love bug? You ready? You ready, love bug? You ready? You ready? I got you, buddy. I got you. You're safe. All right. Let's go take him home. Let's go take him home. Let me turn down the heat. I know you're a wolf, but you're from Texas, so. Oh. You don't have to worry anymore, bud. You are safe.